I'm Jess from Shuck Taylor's, Victoria, BC. We're here in Nimmo Bay. I'm really excited about this. We're gonna make seafood boils today, but we're gonna do it Nimmo Bay style.
Hi, I'm Becky.
I'm Fraser. We live and work in the Great Bear Rainforest.
Join us while we test new ideas for our guests
And meet up with the amazing people in our community.
You got it like right there and right there. There's tons of crab activity here. All right, Jess, grab the crab.
See what we got, baby.
Oh, we got two keepers.
Nice size.
Beauty, look at the size of that one. Oh, that's a sweet crab.
That's a keeper.
Man, watch your fingers. That was a workout. Awesome. Kids, get them out, put in a bucket gently. Put some salt water in there. Okay.
Where's our prawn trap?
There's the prawn trap. Have you pulled a prawn trap before they did?
No, first time.
Oh, then that's the rite of passage.
Oh, this is my childhood here.
You honestly did this by yourself? Oh, God.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
they're not that
nice
far
one.
yet. We're almost there.
Very fun.
It's not a lot, but oh yeah. One spot lobster.
BC lobster.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. He's got a smile. That's so crazy. Oh, baby Lane?
No, let's just go ahead. Let's let this guy go here. The best prawn, yes.
Is this one straight off? Does it get fresher than that?
That.
It's the best sushi I've ever had.
Isn't that incredible?
That's some shame.
Okay, get the prawns for us. Let's go.
Normally we prepare these buckets. They get pre-ordered online and we'll prepare them in Shuck Taylor's. This is going to be a lot of fun today because we're just going to prepare these in the wild.
Some ice in there?
You don't need too much.
How much is like?
We're going to cook this on the open fire, which Fraser's just making over there. So, you know, a very special moment to do this in this beautiful place with my friend Fraser here.
All right, I'm just gathering these short crabs. I'm going to cook them up. I'm going to share them with Jess. And they are like little popcorn shrimp.
We'll get this thing ripping, and then I'll throw some oil in there, and I'll get those crabs going for you.
Oh, beautiful. Give them a quick little fry.
Take one of those and pop it in your mouth.
Oh, dude.
Isn't that fun? It's super crunchy, right?
So crunchy. You know, I keep saying this is his backyard, but this is where he grew up playing. This is, you know, this is where he's experimenting.
Okay, I don't think it adds to the video. I was waiting for that to happen, actually. I was wondering. I was going to say.
Oh, shit. Okay.
It's close. Here we go.
You know, I'm just trying to teach people about seafood. And it's no different than when people come up to Nimmo Bay. Like, you know, what you've just taught me in the last 2 days is nothing that I ever could have bought. It's so simple, but it's so real to this place and what you do. You know, and that's what makes it special. There's so much flavor.
This is insane. I love a mussel.